If you're looking for space and flexibility in a total hidden gem neighborhood, this home has almost 3,000 square feet, a loft, and an office, so you can bring everyone. And with no HOA, a 3-car garage, and an RV gate, you can bring everything. Inside, you'll find soaring ceilings, an updated kitchen, and a fireplace. The downstairs primary suite has a beautifully updated bathroom and custom walk-in closet. The backyard is low maintenance and built to enjoy, with turf, a covered patio, hot tub, and a PebbleTec play pool. So you can spend your days enjoying your home, not taking care of it. Located close to freeways, hiking, parks, and everyday conveniences, this home offers space, upgrades, and flexibility in a highly sought-after North Glendale location.